Sophie, I don't know what's going on with Ryan lately. He's been acting so off.
Off? How so?
Well, for starters, he's been coming home late almost every night this week. And when I ask him why, he just says, "Oh, work ran late." But here's the thing, his work hours haven't changed.
That's suspicious. Anything else?
Oh, plenty. He keeps his phone on silent all the time now. And last night, I saw him texting someone. And when I walked into the room, he immediately turned the screen off.
Oh, no. That's classic cheating behavior. Who was he texting?
I have no idea. And get this. This morning, I found a receipt in his jacket pocket from a jewelry store.
Jewelry? Eve, that's it. He's definitely up to something. You don't buy jewelry for work.
I mean, it could be for me, right? But if it is, why wouldn't he just tell me?
Men love their secrets. But let me ask you this. Has he been extra nice lately? Like, out of guilt?
Actually, yes. He bought me flowers last week, which he never does. And he keeps asking if I'm happy.
Flowers? Questions about your happiness? Eve, wake up. This man is either guilty or planning something big.
I don't want to overthink it. But I can't ignore how strange everything feels. What should I do?
Easy. You need to investigate. Catch him in the act if there's really something going on.
You've been awfully quiet today. Everything okay?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Just tired. Long day at work.
Busy with what? I thought you said this week was pretty light.
Yeah, but some unexpected things came up. You know how it is.
Unexpected things? Like what?
Just some client stuff. Nothing to worry about.
Well, okay. If you say so.
I need to take this. Be right back. Yeah, I got it. It's all set. She has no idea.
She? Who's she?
Well, everything okay?
Yeah, just work stuff.
You've been getting a lot of work calls lately.
Well, you know how it is. Busy season.
Sure. Busy season. What's that?
Oh, just something I ordered. Nothing important.
You didn't mention ordering anything.
Didn't think it was worth mentioning. Anyway, I'm running late. Bye.
Why is he being so secretive? He used to share everything with me. Did I do something wrong? Am I not enough for him anymore? Maybe it's just work. But why does it feel like he's slipping away? Maybe I'm overthinking. I mean, he's always been trustworthy. But something doesn't feel right. Maybe I should just ask him directly. Or maybe I'm too scared of the answer. A friend? Since when does he leave early on weekends?
Hey, what's up? It's Saturday. Aren't you supposed to be having a lazy morning with Ryan?
He left early. Said he's meeting a friend. Didn't even mention who.
A friend? That's vague. And weird. Did he look nervous?
I don't know. He seemed distant. Not his usual self.
You need to keep an eye on him. People don't just change overnight.
Yeah. Or maybe I'm just being paranoid. Hey, what's in the bag?
Oh, just something I picked up. Nothing special.
Really? You've been picking up a lot of nothing specials lately.
Well, just random errands. Don't worry about it.
Sure, if you say so. Dinner's almost ready. Can you grab the plates?
Sure.
I think there's definitely something going on. He brought home a bag and refused to tell me what's inside.
Are you serious? Did you check?
No, he hid it before I could. But he's been so distant, Sophie. It's like he's not even here sometimes.
Look, Eve, you need to talk to him. Or follow him. Just figure out what's happening.
I don't know if I'm ready for that. What if I don't like the answer? He's leaving again. I'm going to follow him. Wish me luck.
Oh my God. Be careful. Don't get caught. Also, maybe wear sunglasses or something, like in the movies.
Sunglasses? Got it. I'm on a mission now. All right, Eve. Stay calm. Don't make it obvious. You've seen this in movies 100 times.
Hi there. Would you like to try our new hand cream? It's organic and smells amazing.
Not now. Sorry. I'm kind of busy.
It'll only take a minute. Look at your hands, they deserve some love.
No, thank you. Really?
Hey, Eve. What's up? Did you find anything?
Sophie, it's over. It's all over.
What? What happened? Talk to me.
I saw him. With Julia. At a cafe. They were sitting together, laughing, talking. Like they're the perfect match.
Wait, Julia? Your coworker Julia? Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. I saw it with my own eyes. And the way they were, it's obvious, Sophie. He's been lying to me.
Eve, I know this looks bad, but maybe there's an explanation. You know Ryan, he's not that kind of guy.
How can you say that? He's been acting strange for weeks. Hiding things, lying about where he's been, and now this?
I understand, but
No, Sophie. There's no but. I've given him everything. I've been patient, understanding, and this is how he repays me.
I'm so sorry, Eve. I know this hurts. But jumping to conclusions might make things worse.
Worse? How could it get any worse? My boyfriend, with my friend. What did I do wrong, Sophie? Was I not enough? Did I miss the signs?
Eve, stop it. This isn't your fault. If Ryan's really doing this, it's on him, not you. You're amazing, and anyone would be lucky to have you.
Thanks, but I don't know what to do. I feel so lost.
Take a deep breath. Let's figure this out together. You're not alone in this.
Eve? Sophie? What's going on here?
You tell me. What's in the bag this time, Ryan? Another nothing special?
What are you talking about? Why are you so upset?
I think I'll let you two talk. Call me later, Eve.
Eve, talk to me. What's wrong?
I saw you, Ryan. At the cafe. With Julia. You've been sneaking around, lying to me. What else am I supposed to think?
Julia? Oh, that. Eve, you've got it all wrong. I wasn't sneaking around.
Really? Then explain the cafe, the secret of calls, the weird behavior.
Okay. I'll explain everything. I've been planning something big. Something special for you. Julia's been helping me with it.
What? What could possibly be so important?
Well, this. I was planning to propose, Eve. That's why I've been acting strange. I wanted it to be perfect.
You were planning to propose?
Yes. And Julia was helping me pick the ring. She's your friend, and I thought she'd know what you'd like.
Ryan. I'm so sorry. I thought you were.
I know what you thought. It's okay, Eve. I should have been more open with you. So, does this mean you'll still say yes when the time comes?
You're impossible, Ryan. Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.